You know this is Zone, the one and only, and watch now. May I represent for who? Jamaica's worst gamer.
Yo!
You think louder than promotion?
What more can I do?
Yeah, me come drop some more buying span them and do it. Def them.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S gamer here with another reaction. Woo! And today, guys, we're with Popcaan. Yes, man, Poppy. And Rolly Boss with Where We Come From. Where we come from. Yes. We'll jump in that one here and see what the G have to say. I see what going on in the music video. Let's go.
Yo, you know that. Yo, more tell remember something me I feel.
What on, man? That song about 10 years ago or more. Yo, me like it. The song was start yet and me like where this is going. You know why? More artists should be making videos for them classic songs. This is a classic from Popcaan. Let's go. So I got a music video.
Yo, more tell remember something me I feel laugh that.
Great man.
Yo, 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐿.
More should be following this trend. Artists take notes. Yeah, man.
Some crazy.
Ready?
Real thugs never forget the dumb plan or where we come from. Yeah. Real thugs never worry about pagan. Cause we destiny don't plan.
Sensei.
We not live long. The other say a judgment road to live by. Next set say me sell my soul to Satan. Jah bless me for shame bad mind with it.
Popcaan.
Me a go tell the boy happy grove. You could have
Call it Poppy Grove.
me life never easy, me don't shut up.
That type of party that we are talking about, Poppy. Big up yourself, Poppy. Forgive me a video for this. Yeah, man.
Yo, 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐿.
Greatest bumbucklati. One Poppy.
Some crazy.
Ready?
Real thugs never forget the dumb plan or where we come from. Yeah.
Real thugs never worry about
pagan.
Cause me destiny
don't plan.
them, sir.
We not live long. The other say a judgment road to live by. Next set say me sell my soul to Satan.
All the people that can relate to that one, drop some fire emoji. Ready?
Me a go tell the boy happy grove. You could have
Call it Poppy Grove.
me life never easy, me don't try the happy road.
Badness me use Lucky Road.
Me always
The happy so I get a video for that song if you react to. Happy! Yeah, man, one Poppy.
Yo, 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐿.
Creative, you fuck.
I'm sure I think.
What a time for drop that video, you dog.
Some crazy.
Ready? Hi! Real thugs never.
forget the dumb plan or where we come from. Yeah.
Real thugs never worry about
pagan.
cause me destiny don't plan. Them say.
We not live long. The other say a judgment road to live by. Next
Yo, me can relate to this.
my soul to Satan.
All the people that can relate to this, drop something in the comment section. Ready?
Me
You go tell your boy.
happy grove.
You da call it
Poppy grove.
Me life never
easy, me don't try the happy road.
Badness me use
Lucky road. Me always dream big, say me a go lucky glow. And MTV bring the episode.
Sure.
Him a head a grade 9 and that was a heavy load. Prince we kick we out, we go touch the road. Trace skull, now me drop a C4 every Thursday. Me dey a station a report.
Lord,
Near
Lord.
one juvenile a fi pre-court. Every school gyal a give me.
You can't react. You can't play them classic you one time. If you can relate to them song, you drop a bumbuckler signal. Give me a signal. Light man, lock off the light. Light man, lock off the light. Lock off the light. Four light.
Real thugs never forget the dumb plan or where we come from. Yeah. Real thugs never worry about pagan.
Hold on.
Cause we destiny don't plan. Sometimes
Left me. You have some people get rich and switch. Then remember which part them are forward from. Them dash on the stick before them cross the bumbuckler bridge. Poppy, talk to them.
Me a go tell you about happy grove. You coulda call it Poppy.
Why?
Me life never easy, me don't try the happy road.
Badness me use
Lucky road. Me Always dream big, say me a go lucky glow. And MTV bring the episode.
Shotty Mark did a grade 9 and that was a heavy load.
Keep me out, we go touch your road. Trace code, no me drop a C4 every Thursday. Me the station a report. Near old juvenile a free pre-court. Every school gal a give me.
Hi!
When me touch a Portmore, Pops calling scope more. From 3 west to 5 east like the place.
Big up all the people that must still cool with them day one niggas. Hold on, what part of the song Mr. Wallaga?
Well poor, real thugs never forget the dumb plan. When me touch a Portmore, Pops calling scope more. From 3 west to 5 east like the place and we done sure. Help out my family when the well poor. Real thugs never forget the dumb plan or where me come from.
Real thugs never worry about Popcaan. Actually. Yo, crack it back. I want to go dirty back. You know what I mean? Jamaica's worst game. Jamaica's worst game. Man, big up your bumper class, self. The whole unruly entertainment. Big up on yourself, dog. Unruly fans, them. Big up on yourself. Ready? Music, we say.
Never forget the dumb plan or where me come from.
Real thugs never worry about Popcaan.
I'm the destiny don't plan.
Sing out.
Some say we now live long. The other say a judgment road.
If you're proud of the person who you is today. If you're proud of the person, represent.
Me I go tell you about Happy Grove. You coulda call it Papi Grove. Me life never easy, me don't try the happy road.
Look in the mirror, ask yourself this. Am I a better person today than I was yesterday? Cause you have some people age but them not grow. You have some people get older but them not grow. Them still childish. What one?
No me drop a C4 every Thursday. Me the station a report. Near old juvenile a pre-court. Every school gala give me.
Oi!
When me touch a Portmore, Pops calling scope more. From 3 west to 5 east like the place and we done sure. Help out my family when
I'm well sure.
Real thugs never forget the dumb plan.
Popcaan!
Real thugs never worry about Popcaan.
Level. Like Papi, hate Papi, rate Papi, don't rate Papi. You don't have to bumbo clad respect Papi. You don't have to respect what Papi I do. For the music and for the culture. Papi!
Please compy, are you did say Popcaan? And if I board this with clap can. He told me a heart over my terror life can. Not like this thing from a python. I say it go still, remember life goes on. And I am the chosen. Regular me have to have my brother shoes and clothes on. So me take the road on. 2008, make the link with the world boss. Start travel the world first class. But mine can't believe how we shell down the
Andrew
world
Black, speak up yourself.
and the rims when the whip pass. Puff a spliff in the dream car. Music make the dream last. Stay true to my thugs. Me no want see no new one. Never say low tax. Use a Lambos. Real thugs never forget the dumb plan or where we come from.
Classic!
Real thugs never worry about Popcaan. Cause we destiny don't plan. Some say we now.
Like me say, hate Papi, dislike Papi, rate Papi. One thing on the whole I know have to respect Bumbo Clap Papi dog.
Yo.
Legend. Papi is not a star. Papi is not a superstar. Papi is not an international star. Papi is a mega Bumbo Clap star. Know that. Know that Bumbo Clap. Lifestyle moment. Hey. A tile. Clap. Yeah, I have to respect Papi for that one. I'm not telling a lie. Yeah. You have to respect Papi for that one, yeah. You have to rate Papi for that one, yeah. Because enough artists now going to do this. Big up the artists them where I got follow suit and say, you know, say is a great thing the G just do a while ago. I got leg on my ego and do the same thing. Because enough artists have some bad song out there will never get no video at the time. For whatever reason. Nothing wrong. You can still drop the video them now. You can still drop the visuals them now. The time we live in now, a social media time, so people want to see the video. Tell them classic song, yeah, brother. Papi, give me some more classics video, bro. We want some more classic, bro. This is a classic, bro. 99% that's a dance where you're going. If that song ain't play, they still tell them asleep. Let me know what you guys think about this move from Popcaan, because I love it. I want to see more artists do this shit, bro. Don't be afraid to go back in our catalog and dig up some classics, some hit song, and give a video for them, brother. That's all I'm saying. Unruly, big up yourself. Poppy, big up yourself. Bumbo clot. Big up everybody who take part in that video, in that visuals. Big up on yourself, dog. Too much name there, so for even call out. Big up on yourself, dog. Like, me love it. One Poppy, big up on yourself. Alright, I'll catch you guys in the other one, not the next one, not the other one. Peace.
Young King attack again in the J Prince. I'm represent for one of the roughest and the toughest and the baddest thing. Them will review tune and video. Jamaica worst gamer. Review this for them, no man.